Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to add movies to watch list in a Prime Video on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And so now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly of course you just have to open your Prime Video over here. And now if you wanna add the movies or series to your watch list here, just simply select the videos first, the movies that I mean. I'm gonna select this one, and if you wanna add it to your watch list, simply just tap on this watch list icon at the bottom of this button, which is watch button. Tap on this. Now if it is the plus button is already changed to the checklist, which is this video is already added to your watch list in Prime Video, yeah guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.